Hey, John here. About once a year or so, I get all my micrometers out and make sure they're all cleaned and lubed. And I figured, well, as I got them out, what is a better time than to do a show and tell? Okay. Maybe do some of the unusual ones first, I guess. A lot of these are just, cheap imports, but I'll tell you what. They're as good as I can measure. So, using all my gauge blocks and setup blocks and double checking everything, I can't find any fault. So, it's a tube micrometer. I want to check the inside of a tube. Hope I'm in the picture here. There we go. And we're just about a tenth over a quarter of an inch. Quarter-inch tube, so that's pretty close. Like I say, these things are pretty accurate. Also have a thread micrometer. Where'd I get that? It's got various different heads for it, and this hasn't seen much use yet. Okay, brown and sharp, 0 to 1 inch. This is the type of you can see the digital in there. Now this one is pretty stiff. I got stiff when I bought this one, I guess. It works, but it's definitely not as free as it should be. Must have been dropped at one time or another. But I do like that kind. I close it up here to get it in the box. I do like that type of mic because of my eyes. I had cataract surgery 2 years ago now, I guess. Year and a half ago, something. And I'm still having a hard time reading those little lines. There's especially the line. There's something wrong. Something folded, he said. Anyway, also have a eye gauging. Digital, and it seems to work just fine. But then I got a chance to get a Metatoyo, so I got the Metatoyo. Hey, where's the on button? Battery's dead. Perfect. Show and tell. I should have checked it for, huh? Oh well. Anyway, take my word for it. That's a beauty. And what do you got here? Got a brown and sharp. What's this? A 1 to 2 inch brown and sharp. The same style with the digital readout in the barrel. Very handy for an 80-year-old guy with bum eyes. And I like that so much that I figured I'd take a chance. Well, I'll show that later. Here's my Lufkin Micrometer Set that I got off eBay. I even put $75. And Lufkins are every bit as good as Starrett's, and these are in good shape. Very good. No complaints at all. Very, very good. Put this out of the way. Inside micrometers. I have 2 of them. I got 2 of them for range. This one is 0.2 to 1.2 inside. And it even has a Even has a thing to check it with. Can't think of the name. Well, it's getting old is not fun at all. Anyway, this should be 0.19998 and this comes out just a little over 1998 or 999. Close enough. And this is the 1 to 2 inch. Same deal. Standard. Oh, that's what's the name of it. It's called a standard. This has a standard in it too, and it's what do we got? We got 1.00012, pretty much 1 inch. I noticed Quinn did a video. She made a micrometer stand. I can see exactly why you need one. That's why I have some here. Yep. So those are the inside mics. This is so much handier than those snap gauges. Oh, also at some point I picked up this Fowler, a 1 to 2 inch digital. Very nice, very, very nice. Works great. And another 2 to 3 inch that I picked up somewhere along the line. It came with 2 standards too. And then a 3 and 4 inch. That's about as big as anything I'll ever check. I've never needed it so far, but I've got it in case I do. So, this is the guy that I got that I'm really happy that I got. A 0 to 3 inch set of, make sure, gotta get where I can see the camera. See the digital numbers in there. It still has the, you know, the regular micrometer, but it has the digital numbers for us old blind guys. Makes it pretty easy. And you know, they're imports, but they're brand new, and they feel like it too. I mean, they're just smooth as silk. Just beauty. Beautiful, beautiful. Love them. So that's pretty much it. Ain't no more. That's all there is. Anyway, I don't know. Any questions about any of these? The side gauging set of manual digital. It's really, I can highly recommend it if you're into that side of thing, because I mean they have a lovely feel. I mean I'm way more satisfied with them than I thought there was going to be, and they check out perfect. I've got 2 different sets of gauge blocks, and I checked them with both, and I can't find any discrepancy at all. They're perfect. And for the price, I can't remember what the price was. Usually I put the date and the price on, but I didn't on this one. I have to go back and look. I just don't remember. But worth every penny to me. If you're interested, there's the, I don't know if it's going to be in focus or not. It's eye gauging number 36-213 set. I'm more than happy with that set. Okay, thanks for watching.